When you're overweight, there's a common perception of maybe this person's lazy, maybe they just don't care. When you walk into a restaurant, it's very unnerving because you feel like people are looking at you. You feel like people are judging you. Should she be eating that? There's just so many little silent struggles that people who struggle with their weight deal with on a daily basis. It's a huge struggle, not just physically, but emotionally. It's a constant chatter in your brain.
Most of our patients that come to us for surgical weight loss have been through a number of other options trying to succeed with weight loss. I think the biggest challenge that patients face when they come to us is basically believing that they're going to succeed after having so many other failures prior to the surgery.
They start out as that person in the information session that isn't sure if they should even be there or if they're cheating somehow. And they realize that this is not just about me looking better in a dress or, being able to impress somebody. It's really about my health overall. To me, it's the opposite of taking the easy way out. You're doing an extra level of commitment in order to do this.
From the time that I entered the program till my lowest, I lost between 130 to 140 pounds, and that is a person. When I say I've lost a person, I've also really gained a person, and that is myself. So I feel amazing. Is every day perfect? Absolutely not. But I have learned so much, and I hope that I, in some ways, can inspire people to not be so fearful to have this surgery because it is the best gift that you can give yourself. The program here at Flagstaff Medical Center is phenomenal. There's so many different components to weight loss. And from the moment that you meet everyone involved in this program, you feel a sense of commitment.
I work with the patients from their first phone call to the program all the way to many years after surgery, helping them to guide through the process. Part of our philosophy in preparing the patients for bariatric surgery is getting them ready for surgery as a whole person. That means they will have dietary, psychological, health coach appointments before and after surgery because we want to make sure that they meet their goals and that they are successful and that it's just not a surgery, it's a lifestyle change.
We really, really believe here this is not a surgical procedure. This is a program, and that program is designed from 6 months before surgery to many years after surgery to take care of the patient. Over the years, we've seen an incredible improvement in technology, and so our cameras are better, our equipment is better, we have advanced care in the hospital, and we're able to do these procedures much more safely.
I remember when I woke up from the surgery and I had that first amazing meal that we have of a sugar-free popsicle and Jell-O. And I remember feeling full for the first time, genuinely full, like Thanksgiving Day full, off of these two things. And I had tears in my eyes and I thought, this is it. This is gonna be the success. It is going to work this time. And that feeling right there is not anything that you can put into words. One of the sentiments that I like to get across with this surgery is finally full of understanding that it is okay for us to have help in this journey. It doesn't mean that we're weak. It doesn't mean that we've given up. It just means that we need a little help. Finally full of having the pleasure and the comfort of winning over food, because now you're eating food for different reasons. You're eating it to feed your body, to give yourself nutrition. You're not covering up emotions. You have control over food, and that is a beautiful feeling. And finally full of understanding that this is your journey, and possibly you may be able to help other people on this journey as well. So to say that it's the easy way out, it's not. It's a genuine gift that you can give yourself, saying it's okay for you to do this. It's okay for you to be thin, and it's okay for you to be healthy.